Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our analysis on the gold market. In the gold market, you can see it looks a bit heavier than the Forex euro currency. So if you're on euro and Great British pound, we've got more or less moderate pullback here on intraday charts. Gold market mostly stands flat, and this is definitely bearish sign. Mostly it just standing on the surface just because of the oversold area. So you could see that it's testing it, but the oversold clearly support the price here, doesn't let them to make the final touch to the downside to take out with these lows, because as we said yesterday, the target of these grabbers, the minimum target, is these lows, but which actually doesn't exclude the chance that we could get gradual downside continuation. It's a bit deeper action, actually, with the shape that we have on the 4 time frame chart right there. So you can see this ABCD, it's not cancelled, but due to the existence of the oversold, market can't move slightly lower. So in the current moment, overall performance, you could see what has happened. So our plan yesterday worked really nice. We've got grabber that we talked about right there. Next, it was another grabber, and both of them suggest a further drop below these lows. Here also, as you can see, a few hours ago it was minor, but still this is bearish reversal candle has been formed. So take a look, it's minor candle, market create new top and close below the lows of the previous. So this is also some bearish sign. Overall, in general, we could just consider it like the, I don't know, some kind of the flag consolidation or something like this, right? And together with the rising MACD here, it more indicates like some kind of the bearish dynamic pressure or something. So in the current moment, I do not see any problems with this setup. So I think that we could still remains on the course, waiting for downside continuation with the plan that we have prepared yesterday. On the hourly chart, you could see how all this stuff is started. So Godless T+2 was perfect. Here we've got first grabber collapsed. Within this period, we've got another grabber. Here was minor retracement, but take a look at that as confidence area, as the top of the grabber, remain untouched. So setup is working really nice. Market now stands in this shape. It's actually already breaking it down in this narrower consolidation on the hourly chart compared to the 4 time frame chart. So actually no problems at all. Currently we could relax, just move stops to the break-even, see what will happen, and wait for the breakout. The one thing that actually you need to control is what will happen around these lows. Once the 32 area will be touched, keep a close eye what will happen. Really sharp reversal. It's also will be at the oversold, so maybe it makes sense to watch and see. Maybe it makes sense to close the position manually. So when the market just challenges these lows, grabs the stops below it, showing some squeeze down, consider this for possible position closings. This might be important because oversold might push price back, and actually you could lose a significant part of your earn with this fast retracement, because here we also do not know whether this will be wash and raise of these lows. Market will show deeper upside bounce, or it will be attempted straightforward a real downside breakout with our ABCD pattern. It's difficult to say. Anyway, just keep an eye on it and manage your position as accurate as possible. So that and so was what we have. Let's keep watching.